A few years ago, my father worked in a construction company, and his job was really hard, and he needed to drink a lot of water, actually liquid. The liquid he actually drank was Coke, a lot of soda. And one day after that, he ended up in the hospital having a trouble with his liver that was 4 times bigger. A few days later, he dehydrated. And after that, his kidneys went up. And after that, he passed away. My name is Slobo, and today we're going to be talking about drinking water and why is it healthy. According to the U.S. National Library of Medicine, 70% of body is made out of water. We're going to be talking about dehydration, how working out is actually affecting our water in the muscles, kidney functions, a brain boost, pain relief. It can be minimized if you drink enough water a day. Now, the question is, what do you think, what is the water in each one of our body parts? The body consists 70% of water. Blood is actually 85%. Brain, 80%. Muscles and cells are 75 and 90%. This is actually from U.S. National Library of Medicine. Dehydration is one of the most common things that we go through when we don't drink enough water. According to Karen Chasline, in her book Dehydrated, the most common causes are fever, heat exposure, and too much exercise without inputting any liquid into your system. Vomiting, diarrhea, and increasing urinating due to the infection are also the problems that we face. If you don't have enough liquid and you are actually throwing out a lot of liquid, it's not helping out. And diseases such as diabetes, the water needs to be getting into your system so it actually can level it out, all these sugars, fats, and everything else. According to the new Encyclopedia of Modern Bodybuilding by Arnold Schwarzenegger, he's talking about how exercising and bodylifting makes your muscles use more water than normal. The water is needed every time they feel actually tired and everything. And it heals your muscles. It helps muscles to rebuild. It doesn't rebuild them right away, but it helps them feel better. And you actually want to go for more workout over and over. Stanford Medicine magazine is talking about kidneys and water and how kidneys actually help out in your body to clean blood cells while you drink a lot of water. It helps urinary system to be functioning easier. You're not going to have problems going to the restroom. And also prevents stones in the kidneys. If you have enough water in your system, it will clear your system and it's not going to have any stones in the kidneys, and also makes you feel rested more. Now, Dr. Masaru Emoto on human consciousness and water is talking about water and health itself. How does it boost your brain activity? It actually makes you feel more rested, and you can actually function easier. You can actually think more deeply, and it prevents you from being ill. Makes your skin look better, and also drinking water helps maintain the balance of body fluids. The body fluids are needed in our body to function properly. As you have seen, the body is actually consisting of 70% and up of water. It depends on your age. It regulates your body temperature. Blood consists 83% of the water, as we said before. It helps your bones, it helps everything in your body. In conclusion, we really do need a water as much as possible to make our body function correctly. Any questions?
How much water should we drink a day?
Well, that all depends how you feel and how much activity do you have a day. They usually say like 6 to 8 ounces of water, but I would say that you should see what's your activity level, but as much as possible, as more as possible. That would help you out a lot.
What are some signs that you're not drinking enough water and you're becoming dehydrated?
Well, one of the signs is when you go to the restroom and you actually look at your urine afterwards. If it's darker, you didn't have enough water. It has to be as brighter as possible. Now, another thing is you have to make sure that you don't drink water right before going to bed, because when you go to bed, the problem with it is that overnight you're gonna want to go to the restroom and stuff, and you're gonna feel lazy. That's gonna make your kidneys work harder and harder, but you're not letting anything out, and will make them feel tired and everything. Any other questions? Thank you very much.